It wasn't fast, it wasn't agile, and it couldn't even fly like a normal airplane. Yet this jet shattered every rule of modern warfare. For years, it didn't officially exist. No photos, no flight records, no confirmation, just whispers of a black faceted aircraft that could strike enemy capitals without being seen. Its name, the F-117 Nighthawk, and behind its bizarre shape hides one of the most revolutionary secrets in military history. Stay with me, because what this jet really did to warfare will change how you see air power forever. In the 1970s, the US military faced a nightmare. Soviet radar systems were getting better, surface-to-air missiles were getting deadlier, and traditional bombers were becoming easy targets. America needed something impossible. A plane that radar couldn't see. That's when a tiny team at Lockheed's Skunk Works began a classified project so secret that even most generals didn't know it existed. They called it Have Blue. The experiment that would become the F-117. The F-117 didn't look like a fighter jet. It looked like a flying crystal. Sharp angles, flat panels, no smooth curves. Why? Because those shapes reflected radar waves away from their source. It wasn't invisible, it was misleading. Radar systems couldn't lock onto it. But stealth came with brutal trade-offs. No radar of its own, no air-to-air missiles, no dogfighting ability, subsonic speed. This was not a fighter. It was a precision assassin. In 1989, the world got its first glimpse of the Nighthawk, but its real debut came 1 year later. Operation Desert Storm. While the world watched Tomahawks and B-52s, the F-117 flew straight into the most heavily defended airspace on Earth. Alone. At night. Undetected. For nearly a decade, the F-117 was untouchable. Then, in 1999, a Serbian missile battery did the impossible. They shot one down. The world froze. How do you shoot down an invisible jet? The answer shocked everyone. The Serbs used old radar systems, predicted flight paths, fired missiles blindly, and waited for bomb bay doors to open. The myth of total invisibility collapsed. Instead of killing stealth, the shootdown proved how terrifyingly effective it really was. Because even after losing one jet, the US kept using the F-117. And enemies still couldn't stop it. Worse. The wreckage gave Russia and China access to stealth materials, which triggered a global stealth arms race. The F-22, the F-35, the J-20, the Su-57, all exist because of one strange black jet. The F-117 never officially retired, even after being withdrawn in 2008. It kept flying, in secret, at night, for classified tests. Why? Because no other aircraft perfectly simulates enemy stealth jets. The US still uses it as a stealth aggressor, which means America's first stealth jet is still shaping future wars today. Because the F-117 isn't just an aircraft, it's a laboratory, a test platform, a reminder of what stealth can do. It taught the world that wars aren't won by speed anymore, or by numbers, or by brute force. They're won by information and invisibility. The F-117 changed warfare forever. Not because it was perfect, but because it proved something terrifying. The enemy doesn't have to see you to be defeated. Today, wars begin with stealth strikes. They're decided before the first shot is fired, and they end before the enemy even knows what hit them, all because of one strange, ugly, impossible jet, the F-117 Nighthawk. If you want more hidden military technology stories like this, subscribe, like, and stay tuned. Because the next secret aircraft is already flying above you.